welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this kinky curly V-part wig from Beauty Forever Hair. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into this. So this is the hair, and it has the Christmas packaging on it because it was during the holiday season, so the packaging has the Christmas, and it was super cute. So let's go ahead and get to this hair. I've worked with Beauty Forever Hair before, and their hair is really good quality. I love them, so you know they're a brand we can trust. So it does come with a bag to store your hair. I always love these because it's super convenient, because I don't always keep the box, but I love having the little bag to store my hair. Also included is some eyelashes and a satin scarf and some clips. They also give you a wig cap. It did come with like a little Christmas card, which was really cute. A little stocking stuffer. You know, they go all out for the holidays. Really cute packaging. And so here is the hair, moment of truth. I love these V-part wigs. You can do a little minimal leave out, or you can do no leave out at all. For me today, I'm going to be doing no leave out at all. Ooh. Oh, this hair is so gorgeous. It really is like kinky curly. Oh, this would actually match my texture pretty good. So the only reason I'm not doing leave out today is because my leave out is straight, but next time I will definitely do a leave out. But this is how it looks. And a lot of people usually, when they watch these videos on the V-part wigs, they like to see it with no leave out, because a lot of people are trying to be very minimal and not have to leave out hair, so that's perfectly fine. So this is the construction of the hair. It's just a V, as you can see. Look at me rhyming. And then the clips, and then the side clips too. I like the V-part wigs because they really are nice and secure when you put them on. But this texture is so beautiful. Like, really look at that. It's like so beautiful. Okay, let's just go ahead and install this hair. I'm going to be doing a middle part, and I'll just kind of like speed it up, let you guys watch me work. I do want to mention, for an easier install, it's better if you do like 2 anchor braids, but I'm not that good at braiding, so I usually will do braids, but they're not small enough to really be like an anchor, you get me? So like on these sides, you see how my braids are? It's like this. My braids don't start from here, so it can be an anchor to really clip onto. My braid is just kind of like loose, you get me? But I'm doing a middle part, and I'm just making sure I tuck my hair back really good. My hair was like this because I did have a V-part wig on, but I had a straight hair one, and I left out leave out to blend in, so that's why my hair looks like this. But if you were doing leave out, like a curly leave out, you could braid your hair like how I have it, and then you could just leave a little bit of your curly hair out and then do the leave out. But like I said, we're doing no leave out, so I'm gonna go ahead and just unclip those. That's clipped in the back already, and you want it closest to your middle part that you just created. Like that. And then make sure you put your clips in on the sides. And do any adjusting that you need to. Hello, stranger. This is what the hair looks like. Straight on. I would definitely go in and like fluff this hair out, wet it some, which I will show you guys, because right now it's cute, but it's kind of giving me Jerry curl. But this looks good. This is how it would look straight out the box, y'all. You can try to clip it a little closer but I think I got it pretty close.
Since we last kicked it, and by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, baby.
So what I did is I kind of teased at the roots that I left out so that it could look a bit more natural, coming from like out of the scalp. So that's what that looks like. Let me go ahead and wet this hair some, but naturally out the box, this is what it looks like. And it's 20 inches, but mind you, it's 20 inches curly, but if you stretched it out, then it would be 20 inches. So always keep that in mind when you get curly hair. Alright, so to style my hair, I'm just going to be using some water and Taylor Beauty's Flexible Curl Potion Mousse. I always recommend this if you have curly wigs because it's really lightweight, but it really helps to define the curls.
I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you.
And always when you guys are wearing wigs, make sure you guys are taking care of your natural hair underneath. So when your hair is in braids, make sure your hair is still able to flourish. And I always recommend my products from Lavish Curls Beauty. It's my brand. It is always linked in the description box below. I have a whole hair growth collection that I recommend for just growing out your own natural hair and your curls, or even when you're doing protective styling, to use my hair growth collection. So it's linked in the bio. See, this helped it look more natural to me. I kind of like that, like, you know, a little bit of frizz kind of look. It just always looks more realistic to me, and like, okay, this could be your real hair. So I'm just running that through. You could even cut some layers if you wanted to, like layer it in the front. But guys, this is the final look. This V-part wig is so cute. It's very natural looking. It feels amazing. The hair is very soft. The curl pattern itself is amazing. You could straighten this hair if you wanted to and blend it with your natural hair. If you have more of a type 4 hair texture, then this will blend really good. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys check out Beauty Forever Hair. I will have them linked in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.